Hi folks, it's Maya. Well, thank you for coming back to my channel. I'd love to get to 1,000 subscribers, so hit the subscribe button. Okay, so I got this box here. It was just delivered by FedEx today, and this is from the Gucci store in Melbourne. And so let's open it. So I've been eyeing this bag for quite a while now. I don't know, maybe like up to a year or so. I don't know, a bit longer, a bit shorter. And I kept umming and ahhing because there's things I really do not like about this brand. And then sometimes I like something like, do I like this? But it's this brand. Do I want it? Oh, you should already know what the brand is, Gucci. And so, let's see. I've seen it in person a few times, and then there's a variation with the lining. So I contacted Gucci.com, and they contacted stores to source the, the correct lining. And yeah, so this lovely lady reached out to me from the Gucci store, and yeah, sent this from the store. So I was a bit lazy to go pick it up. Okay, so what have we got? What it looks like. So there's the motif, like the kind of old school flourish pattern on the tissue paper. There. I'm surprised it's quite a big box. Okay, that's what it looks like inside. Alright, so I wanted to order from the Gucci store online to get the free tote bag because you don't get the shopping bag, so they give you a tote bag instead. Now last time we ordered from Gucci.com for my sandals, I'll link the video, we got a massive Gucci bag, and it was like kind of blue with the constellations and stuff. So I knew there was going to be this label on it. This is like just like a typical kind of canvas tote bag. It's kind of very organic looking. Okay, so I want to see how big this is. Because the other one was humongous. Okay, I don't know, is this as big? I think, actually there's some depth. There's some depth to it. I think it is as big because I guess it's designed to carry the big gift boxes. So this is still very big. But I don't know. The other one had a massive Gucci word on it. This doesn't feel as serious. So I actually asked the lady if she had access to this, and she did. So she gave me this. Awesome! Another tote bag to go grocery shopping. Alright, what else have we got? Okay, she also gave me the shopping bag. So apparently this is the Christmas shopping bag, which is really bizarre because it's so simple. So it's grey and then silver Gucci. It's nice and elegant, but I'm kind of shocked because what's happening with Gucci? I know they have a new creative director, but I'm surprised. Okay, and then got the receipt. Okay, get your receipt. That's safe. All right. So it looks like here's the box, Gucci box, and looks like it's the Christmas ribbon, I think, because it's silver instead of the green. Nope, box is empty. Alright, that's better. Hopefully you can see me now. Okay, so let's open it, and then I'll do a mod shot, and I'll show you what fits. So I have not seen this, so hopefully it's perfect. She said she checked it and it was perfect. So let's see if she's correct. Okay. Ready? How do we do this? So it's a magnet. Ta-da! Can you see it? Can you see it? Ready? I don't know why I'm excited about this part. So this was on the canvas bag, but it's a different fabric. Okay. The box away. Ready, ready, ready. Ready, ready, ready. Hello. I'm actually quite excited to look at this. Okay, let me just quickly assess it, please. Okay, you can have a look at it as I assess it as well. So you can see the top. So I need to do up the buckle. So that's the side. So with a strap that's not detachable from the bag. And then there's these gold rivets. And when I saw this in person the first time, I had seen it on the photos, but seeing it in person and like this clasp, it's actually really nice. I'm not sure if you can see the detail. So there's little round rivet nail things, and the feet, there's different kind of feet. And might as well do this up. And I really like this because it is trunk style. I'm like, oh, this looks like a trunk, but it's a bag, and it wasn't too ridiculous. Their trunks are more expensive, but I think they'll also be heavier. So, okay. All right, so that's on the second last hole setting. So it's brown leather. It's really dark brown waxing, or black. And this is the canvas. I think it's a Supreme Monogram. Okay. So just want to show you the side. So it isn't completely flush because this part opens up. So I hope over time it'll flatten out. So I'm just admiring it. It's fun. And I really like gold rivet things. Okay. Okay, did I do the stuff correctly? So I can wear it for you. Okay. This is the buckle. Alright, I'll just mod shot it now. Oh, it's so cute. So this doesn't have a proper name. It's like just GG Mini Bag. It's available on Gucci's website and Farfetch, I've seen. Oh, it is mini. I think it's more mini than I remember. It's so cute. So I have to wear it the other way around. So I'm 5'6", 168 centimeters tall. So it lands there. I mean, it's cute. Okay, so I need to wear it this way. So when I open it, let's open it like this. And then it opens up like this. So yeah, so there's room for this to move. So I need to wear it this way. So the buckle's at the front if I wear it this way. This is my left shoulder. And then, so the inside, there's two variations of this. So on the inside, it's fully brown. If you can see that. But there's a variation where it's partially brown and partially like a light peach color, which I didn't want because I figured over time it would just look dirty. Brown, you can hide your messiness. So there's 3 card slots on the flap. Hopefully you can see that. And nothing else. So then when you open it, this is what it looks like on the side. So hopefully this will flatten out over time. So let's put this back. Just press it down. and it locks, and it says Gucci there. So I need to examine this closer. See if I'm happy with the wax. I think I am. So one other way. This way. Go on the side. So I can shorten this a little bit more. Oh, it's fun. So I actually don't have the Monogram style bag. I don't think. It's got textured, smooth, but yeah. So I've got some goodies here to show you. Let me elevate this. That's a good idea to elevate it. Got my camera assistant. All right, I'm gonna do what fits for you. So, ding. Let's go this way so I can see what I'm putting in. All right, so just mindful there's these flaps here that kind of take up a bit of space now, but not too much. All right, everyone has a phone. This is, I don't know, this is a Samsung, but it should be about the size of an iPhone 12 Pro, which is what I have, which I'm filming with. So that's how it looks there. Let's put it in. There's a little bit of room. Okay, what else? What else is essential? My pouch, which are fun and happy. Oh, does this fit? The phone is flat. Ooh, my pouch, because it's round. I think you had a like your typical kind of a rectangular card holder, it'll fit, but this is, it has to sit a little slanted. Oh, this is not easy. It's a little bit slanted. Okay, what else? Tissues. So I can stand that up, that's fine. My keys. My sloth pouch. Well, that's fine. Some people, what else do I have? Some people might have like a little lotion or hand sanitizer. And then got a little pouch with my bag hook. And I think that's all that's gonna fit. Maybe like a thin card holder type thing. This is what it looks like inside right now. Close it. Okay, lock. So that's what fits. Should we do a variation? No. So I had my sunnies, which was not gonna fit. I had my little A7 water bottle, not gonna fit. I had me goreng. That was just for fun. So that won't fit. But yeah, in general, pretty good. And then, yeah, obviously it's more weighty now. Let's testing this lock again. The lock is really nice. Cool. Alright, is that it? Mod shot. What fits? Let me know if you have any questions. I hope you enjoyed that. And I'm gonna go enjoy my bag now. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Let me know what your thoughts are. Have you seen this bag before? I have not seen it on anyone. I just found it myself, and I'm actually very surprised that they don't really display it in the shops either. But I think it's kind of cool, you know? And I think this is like I'm testing the waters to see how I like a trunk bag, and then my future might be a while, but this is another trunk handbag I want to get. It's the LV Petite Valise, and it's a bit pricier, but yeah, I think this is a good start, and I like it because it's neutral, so hopefully it goes well with my neutral outfits. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one.